everybody who's watching in the library too. If you're coming in from the future, we're very pleased to have you here as well to our book launch, The Mind Movement.
It's a part of me. So when I pick it up, I'm really happy now that I look at it and I like it and it's good. It would be I'm sure I can't imagine things that we all have lives and have to earn money. But
Yes.
part of my healing was part of doing yoga. Then I trained as a psychotherapist. It's the same. I was able to bring that in myself. And of course, the tide has changed more now with the work
Yeah.
of Bessel van der Kolk. I mean, that book is in yoga happening live now. That change.
Yes.
People are only now
Yes.
talking about intersectionality.
Yes.
Because I trained
Yeah.
what was important to me was that I brought some science to this rather than anything woo woo, anything. And we're all moving and everything's great and there's no pain, there's no restriction, right? It's great. When we have pain and restriction,